500,000 miles. Most modern trucks are dead and scrapped by 200,000. But I'm about to show you 5 trucks from the 90s that laugh at 500,000 miles and keep going. These aren't legends. These are real trucks, real owners, real odometers that rolled past 500,000 and never looked back. There's a guy in Washington with a Tacoma showing 680,000 miles. Original engine, original transmission, still his daily driver. That's not a typo. 680,000 miles. And it's not even the highest I've found. These trucks weren't built for a decade. They were built forever. Subscribe because today you'll see the machines that refuse to die, even when they should. Number 1. Toyota Tacoma 1995 to 2000. Record, 680,000 miles. Victor in Seattle bought his 1996 Tacoma with 80,000 miles in 2003. That was 22 years ago. Today, 680,000 miles. He's the only owner since 80,000. He's put 600,000 miles on it himself. Original 3.4 V6. Original 5-speed manual transmission. Original frame. He did maintenance. Oil changes every 5,000 miles. That's it. Nothing fancy. Nothing special. Just consistency. At 500,000 miles, Toyota contacted him. Wanted to buy the truck for their museum. He refused. Because it's not done yet. He drives it to work every single day. 40 miles round trip. Still averaging 22 miles per gallon. People offer him money constantly. Highest offer, $35,000. For a truck with 680,000 miles. He won't sell. Because where else is he going to find a truck that never quits? Number 2. Ford Ranger 1993 to 1997. Record, 545,000 miles. Danny runs a landscaping company in Arizona. Bought a 1995 Ranger in 1998 for his business. Put 520,000 miles on it himself. Original 4.0 V6. Original manual transmission. The truck has been to 48 states. Hauled equipment. Pulled trailers. Worked 6 days a week for 27 years. Never left him stranded. Not once. Not a single time. At 400,000 miles, he rebuilt the clutch. That's it. That's the only major work. Oil changes, brake pads, and 1 clutch. Everything else is original. He bought 3 new Rangers over the years for other employees. All 3 died before 150,000 miles. The 95 just keeps working. He jokes it'll outlive him. His employees aren't joking anymore. They believe it. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado 1988 to 1998. Record, 565,000 miles. There's a Silverado in Montana with 565,000 miles. Ranch truck, work truck, everything truck. Owner's name is Bill. Bought it in 1991 with 12,000 miles. The 5.7 Vortec 350 is original. Transmission was rebuilt once at 380,000 miles. Everything else, original. Bill says the truck has personality now. Knows when it's cold. Knows when it's tired. But never quits. That Silverado has pulled trailers heavier than it should, hauled loads bigger than rated, worked in -40 winters, still fires up first try every morning. Bill's son wants it when Bill retires. Bill said no, because Bill's not retiring, and neither is the truck. Number 4. Ford F-150 OBS 1992 to 1996. Record, 520,000 miles. Mike in Texas has a 1994 F-150 with the 5.0 Windsor V8. Bought it with 45,000 miles in 1999. Now showing 520,000 miles. Original engine. Original transmission. The secret? Mike's a mechanic. He knows what kills trucks. Heat and neglect. So he never let it overheat. Never skipped maintenance. Changed oil religiously. At 500,000 miles, he pulled the valve covers. Just to look. The inside of that engine looked like 100,000 miles. Clean. No sludge. No wear. Just working like it should. People ask if he's going to restore it. He says why? It's not broken. You don't fix what works. You just keep driving it. Number 5. Dodge Dakota 1991 to 1996. Record, 487,000 miles. Carlos in Nevada has a 1993 Dakota with the 5.2 Magnum V8. Bought it new in 1993. Still owns it. 32 years later. 487,000 miles. Never sold. Never traded. Never quit. Original engine. Original transmission. Original everything. The paint's faded, the interior's worn, but that V8 still roars. That transmission still shifts perfectly. Carlos says people judge the truck by looks. See the faded paint and assume it's junk. Then he tells them the mileage. Then he starts it up. Then they understand. Here's what 500,000 miles teaches you. These trucks weren't lucky. They were built right. Simple engines that don't fail. Transmissions without computers to corrupt. Frames that don't rust through. Modern trucks are complex. Complexity breaks. These trucks are simple. Simple lasts. You want a truck that goes 500,000 miles. Buy one that already did. Because if it made it that far, it'll make it farther. Drop in the comments. What's the highest mileage you've seen on a 90s truck? Next week, I'm showing you the modern trucks that don't make it to 150,000. Don't miss it. If this makes you appreciate real engineering, hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time.